Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Muhammad Arhad Ahmed, a student of Russia University, Department of Banking and Insurance. In this video, I will show you that how we can use the regression in Microsoft Excel. So let's see. We can see that, here we can see that there is a this is a dependent variable, and these three are independent variable. So regression shows the relationship between the independent variable and the dependent variable. So let's see how we can use these dependent and independent variable in the Microsoft Excel. So first of all, go to data analysis. And then I have to select the regression. We can see that the regression is here. So click on regression and then click on OK. So here we can see that the input, that means input Y range. So I have to input the Y range values. So click on here and then select all the Y values. That means dependent variable. Okay. After that, I have to input the X range. So click on here. We can see that there are three X range independent variable. So select all of these and again click here and then select confidence level, labels, etc. and output option where I want to show my output result. I want to show my output result in this existing worksheet. So I select the output range and click on here, and the output cell is it. Okay. Then I have to select the residuals. Then simply I can click on OK. So this is the summary output of this data, and we found this using the regression equation. So this is how we can use the regression equation in Microsoft Excel to find out the summary output of a particular data. Thank you everyone. Assalamu alaikum.